This How to 1 minute will show you how to change the time zone in cPanel Webmail. Follow this step-by-step guide to do it. First of all, log into your cPanel and scroll down. Under email section, click on email accounts. And now, for example, I want to change the time zone for this webmail. So I'm going to clicking on check email and opening the webmail inbox. Click on settings, select preferences and click on user interface. And here you will get the time zone and time format option. So click on the time zone drop down and from here you can select your webmail time zone. Then make sure to click on save, and that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.